Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. It's the cheapest way to support the channel, and it's free actually. So make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So we're out here Monday morning, y'all, and it's Cyber Monday on the internet, and so a lot of things are on sale. Black Friday just passed. The Holyton HT02 was on sale for a steal of a price. It was $12, y'all, and so they're continuing that sale. They extended it for Cyber Monday, so this guy is $12, y'all, for a little drone here. They're calling it a mini drone, but it's actually a Nano. And I did a review on this before, so I'll have a link in the description so you guys can check that out. This is more so a flight video, just a test flight to see if this thing is the same as the one that I had, because we know they do make revisions to these little drones sometimes and they don't fly as well. The one that I flew was flying really nice and all. I just had a problem with how fast it descended. It didn't descend too fast, and so I was saying that it was an indoor quad if you had any type of winds, but not too much wind out here. As you can see, the little leaves that are left on the trees here are not moving. They're barely even moving at all, and so ideal for me to fly this guy out here and test it out. Hopefully they made that change with the descent of it, but everything else seems to be the same aside from the color. The one that I had was red. This one seems to come in this gold color only, and it comes with 3 batteries. Everything is the same, just like the older one as far as the accessories. Also, I was unable to remove this little sticker here. It has this warmth warning on here. I guess people were plugging the battery into the charger with reverse polarity, plugging it backwards, and the battery heats up and then your battery is ruined, and it can cause a fire too, I guess. And so they put that sticker on there to remind people to make sure that you're not doing that. I was unable to remove the sticker, so guess it's that important that I should mention it. So let's get this guy in the air. Hopefully I don't lose this guy out here. I guess park services on break, because these leaves been out here for a while, haven't cleaned it up. Hopefully this guy doesn't drop because this guy is gold, and sheesh, I don't even want to think about trying to find this guy out here. So let's try the auto takeoff. Let's do a calibration first. It's not doing the calibration. Let's try this guy again. Unplug it. The batteries are definitely charged. Charged up the batteries. Let's see. Let's turn off the controller. Turn it back on. Okay. Now I'm gonna press this button here, and it took off. It's got a lean to it because when it recalibrates, when you first turn this thing on, it recalibrates, and it wasn't on level ground, so it's leaning to the side on me, y'all. But we're not going to worry about that. We're in low rates right now. Low rates are really slow. Let's go on the second rate. Y'all still slow, but we can fly around with a little bit of speed. This might be the perfect drone for a beginner. It does come with prop guards too. to fly it indoors for a beginner. Although I don't like the altitude hold being there without the ability to toggle it off and on. We're in third rate, y'all. So that's the yaw. I'm not sure if the yaw was faster. I think the yaw might have been faster before, but not too bad because the pitch is pretty good. Check it out. That's the funnel you can get. Let's try its descent. Uh-oh, it's trying to go down. Sheesh. I think it got dizzy, y'all. Let's see how fast it goes down. Okay, so they did improve the descent of this thing, so you can pretty much fly this guy outside now, I'm convinced, because it descends pretty fast. So I guess they paid attention to the video with my input. And so this thing is a really nice flyer, y'all. 12 bucks. I definitely would jump on this if I wanted to get into flying little drones. Little nano drone. These things usually run about 25 bucks. They can go upwards of 50 bucks though for a little nano drone like this. Just about all of them have altitude hold nowadays, so really no getting around that. But this thing flies really nice, y'all, I gotta say. Let's see, this guy does do flips too. Let's go this way. Hopefully you can see it. And so it did a nice flip, y'all. It does cheat, what I call cheater flips. It goes up first, climbs, and then it does the flip to ensure for a good recovery. Yeah, so this guy is a good flyer. And it comes with 3 batteries, so really have enough flight time on this guy for sure. Flips in all directions. The last time I was flying it around in the circle though, this guy seemed like he got dizzy or something. He started trying to land. There's a headless mode on it. Let's try the headless mode. I think the headless mode holds the heading that it's already in, so let's hit it. Yep, so we're in headless mode now. See, I can apply constant yaw and still have control of it. Flying to the left now, to the right, forward, and back towards me, all while applying yaw. So headless mode works really good. Has that little light on the front that flashes to indicate that it's in headless mode. Let's see if it'll do a flip while it's in headless mode. Yep, so it does a flip while it's in headless mode, and it didn't screw it up. It's still flying in headless mode, holding its heading and all. The heading is in front of me, so it holds the heading that it's facing when you activate the mode. Let's take off headless mode. Okay, so it has a return to home, but it's not a true return to home. It just flies backwards down the heading, but I doubt if that'll work because this little guy, it holds the heading that it's facing when you first activate it. So if you lose control, or you lose orientation rather, and you hit that return to home button, it's just going to fly backwards to whatever heading it's in. I don't know how that can help you. It's not going to bring it back to you, but I guess that would help to let you know which way is the rear of it. So let's actually try it. So we're going to fly out here. We're going to spin it around. I'm going to actually close my eyes so I don't know which way it's facing. Ah, man, it's landing to mess up my little... Oh, it's not landing. It looked like it was about to land. Okay, so let's... Wow, so it's flying backwards to... It was flying backwards to the heading that it had when it was in headless mode, y'all. That's what it seems like. So it holds the last heading that it was in when you hit headless mode. So I guess you have to set that heading first by going into headless mode while you're facing away from yourself before you can actually use that return to home successfully for it to fly backwards down the heading back towards you. So it's flashing now, indicating that it's at LVC, low voltage warning. So it's time to bring this guy in and land it. I was thinking that I was going to have to use one of these other 2 batteries that it comes with, but I think this was a pretty decent enough flight time for this guy to be demonstrated. So I'm going to fly it until it drops, and then we're going to end the video. The Holyton HT02 Cyber Monday deal for 12 bucks, y'all. Definitely worth it. This wasn't sent to me, I bought me one. The other one that I had, I think I gave it away to a kid or something. I can't remember who I gave it away to, but I definitely gave it away. The red one. Red is my favorite color, but I would settle for this gold one for 12 bucks. Nice soft landing too, y'all. It turned off as soon as it landed. So it's the Holyton HT02 quick demo flight, Cyber Monday deal. 12 bucks, y'all, for Cyber Monday. I would jump on it. Thanks for watching.